What's going on, everybody? Math with Chris. Today we're going to look at just a simple algebra equation. We're going to go with 6x plus 7 equals 25. So how do you solve a simple algebra equation like this? So I want you to think, anytime you have an equals sign and you have an equation, think of like a scale or a balance. How do we draw a scale here? You know, something like this. And then both sides are equal, right? Both sides are the exact same. And if you have an equation like 5 equals 5, well, that works because both sides are the same. Or if 2 plus 3 equals 5, well, that still works. 5 equals 5, and the scale will stay balanced. But the thing is, if you subtract a number on each side, you can do that because the balance will still work. Now you got 4 equals 4. So if you take one of these equations and go minus 1 minus 1, 4 equals 4. And this is the concept we're going to use to solve this algebra problem over here. So we got 6x plus 7 equals 25. The first thing we want to do is get rid of that 7. And how do you get rid of a plus 7? Well, you do the opposite. You do minus 7. But if I do minus 7 to one side of the scale, remember over here, then you got to do minus 7 to the other side. So we got a minus 7 on both sides of the equation. And when you do that, the plus 7 minus 7 goes away because plus 7 minus 7 is 0, right? So 5 plus 0 is still 0. But 25 minus 7 now becomes 18. And what's left over here? We still have this 6x over here. So now we have 6x equals 18. And now we want to get rid of the 6 because the goal of this thing is to isolate the x. Get x all by itself on one side of the equation. Then you get an x equals a number, and then you know what x is. So how do we get rid of a times 6? Well, the opposite of times is divide, so we divide by 6. And if we divide by 6 on one side, we have to divide by 6 on the other side. So we go like that. 6 divided by 6 is 1. Those kind of cancel each other. They go away. We're left with x over here on the left. 18 divided by 6 is 3. And we're left with this equation, x equals 3. And what do you know? That's our answer. X equals 3, right? That's our final answer. And that's what we're looking to get is x equals a number, and we got it. X equals 3. Why is my highlighter not working here? There we go. X equals 3. Final answer, x equals 3. And if we go back to our original equation, 6x plus 7 equals 25. Well, let's do that. 6 times 3 plus 7 equals 25. Does that work? Well, yeah. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 7 equals 25. Checks out. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you found this helpful.